All right, well, I pulled my second one out. I tried to figure out my camera. This one's a little bit stickier, but you just kind of put it on a bit of flour and kind of work it in. Feels really nice though, actually. It's a little tiny bit sticky, but get that dough off here. I think the warmth of your hands, it's nice to have that yeast actually start working. I know that some people don't have a mixer, as far as I know. I've watched a few people make it online, and they've actually made it in a bowl and stirred it, and then done this the rest of the time. This is a little bit more work, but if you don't have a mixer and you want a fresh loaf of bread, I think that's pretty well almost. Feels nice. Actually almost reminds me of like Play-Doh when we were kids. Almost that same feeling, and that's probably, I don't know if they don't think they make Play-Doh out of yeast dough. Alright, see it's sticking a tiny bit, but it should be okay. And I know we had a bakery deli, but this wasn't my job. I never did do this. I just watched. So I keep bringing it back, and I just remember the days of watching and kind of bringing it back in. It's almost like you're bringing it in and it's all in the center there. Okay. Now my mixing bowl is what I'm going to use for this one. Pop that in there. Sometimes they recommend you can put just a little bit of oil in there, but I find when I pull it out, and I'm going to pound it again anyway, so I don't need it, so it's up to you. And another tea towel. I'm going to put that on the table. This is going to be my second one in the oven because it takes 45 minutes to cook, so that's probably about 15 minutes. That one's already been sitting. So, all right, so next time I'll bring it the other bowl and we'll make a loaf of bread. All right.